This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of low porosity hair. Understanding your hair's porosity is the first step to effective care. Low porosity hair has a tightly bound cuticle layer, which means it resists moisture absorption, but also retains it well once absorbed. This type of hair can feel dry and brittle if not properly moisturized. We'll explore the best techniques and products to ensure your low porosity hair thrives. Cleansing is crucial for low porosity hair. Product buildup can easily accumulate, preventing moisture from reaching the hair shaft. Start with a clarifying shampoo every 2 to 4 weeks to remove any residue. For regular washes, choose a sulfate-free shampoo that contains humectants like glycerin. Always use lukewarm water, as it helps to slightly open the cuticles, allowing for better product penetration. Moisturizing low porosity hair requires a strategic approach. Deep conditioning is essential. Apply a rich conditioner and use indirect heat, such as a steamer or a hooded dryer, for 15 to 30 minutes once a week. This helps the product penetrate the tightly closed cuticles. Follow up with a lightweight, water-based leave-in conditioner and seal in the moisture with a light oil like jojoba or grapeseed oil to prevent dryness. For styling low porosity hair, focus on lightweight products. Heavy butters and creams tend to sit on the hair, leading to buildup and a greasy feel. Instead, opt for mousses, gels, and serums with lighter formulations that absorb more easily. To maintain moisture and prevent friction, protect your hair at night by wrapping it in a silk or satin scarf or using a satin pillowcase. Consistency is key for healthy, hydrated, low porosity hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.